Are you looking for a quick and easy solution for improving your audio while streaming? Stay tuned. In episode 1 of improving your audio while streaming, we used a USB mixer. In this one, we're going to use a USB interface. So the one that we have is the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. So with this one, it runs about $109 to $130, depending upon where and when you get it. So these items are high in demand right now. So just to get this one, there was a wait, but to be honest, it's worth it. This Scarlett Solo makes it so easy for someone to stream in terms of plugging things in and comparing it even to the USB mixer. And again, in doing the research, these items, a lot of people talk about what your use is. So if we're looking at them as fitness professionals to stream, what's going to be easy and what's going to be efficient? Personally, I think the Scarlett Solo is the item to utilize. Really, it's about having the right adapters, and looking at the mixer, a lot of the adapters are the same. So if you watch that video already, a lot of the adapters you're going to see in this one, they're the same exact ones, and you get a really solid output. You can put your audio track, so your music, over your mic track and stream it through your platform very nicely. So the adjusting is also nicely. Some of the other nice points about the Solo, this Scarlett Solo, is the gain right here. These are what adjust the volume. Very easy, but also the lights that come on show you if you're clipping. So if you're too high with one of them, adjust them to make sure that the output is coming out nicely. So we're gonna do a assembly video and then a quick little test so that you can hear what that sounds like through a streaming platform. But really, check it out. The links are in the description. If you're looking for something simple for your streaming platform, Facebook Live, Zoom, Vimeo. This is a tool that you can utilize, invest in, and improve those things right off the bat. A key component of why this item was selected is that it's a USB compatible device. So when starting to assemble it, you want to get the cord that has a USB end of it, plug the USB-C end of it into the back of the Focusrite. From there, that's going to give it power. But if you want to utilize an iPad, iPhone to stream, that's going to be where you plug that in. But you'll need the correct adapter for that. To get this assembled, first grab your XLR adapter and plug that into input 1. From there, if you watched the other tutorial, you saw that we utilized the Rode Go. Again, this is a great option to utilize with your streaming just because it's gonna clip on nicely to a t-shirt. It's easy to assemble. You could see your audio lengths on it. And again, you can be dynamic with it. You don't have to stay in one spot. You don't have to hold a microphone. You can clip it onto your shirt to make it nice and easy for you. So again, plug the adapter into port 1. From there, you're gonna plug your Rode Go cord into that. So now you have your input 1, which is your microphone. From there, you can adjust the volume, the gain with that one, and also make sure you play with the buttons a little bit. See if you like the air feature. That's one of the items on it that some people like, some people don't like. It's up to you. After that, now your music, how are you going to attach that? You're going to need your stereo cable. For this one, we utilized a 1/4 to 1/8 stereo cable. So you're going to plug that into the line input that's next to where you plugged in your microphone. After that, we're going to plug this one into an iPad for the music source. So I'm going to need the appropriate adapter for that. So I'm going to take the Apple Lightning adapter and plug that into the 1/8 side of it. From there, that plugs into your iPad, open up your music, start playing that, and then again, adjust your gain volume right there. The input to the right of that is for headphones. So some of us as instructors, we do need to hear the music to stay on beat. That's where you want to put your headphones, or you can put that into a speaker that you can listen to. Just make sure that you do not have it close or loud enough that it's then going into the audio from your microphone on your t-shirt. Then you get this endless cycle of music going in and out. So make sure you put that in and adjust the volumes to see what works for your setup. This is a test within Zoom, so the recording is inside Zoom. My microphone gain level is just slightly below 75%. The gain volume on the music in source from the iPad is about 25%. This is a second test with the gain on the music now at about 40 to 45%. Lastly, this is a test inside Zoom with the gain for the music at about 50%. That's it for this tutorial on utilizing the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. Again, if you watched our first tutorial, you saw how to utilize a USB mixer. Those knobs, all of the adjustments on there might be a little too daunting for some. This is a quick and easy solution in my opinion, and the output is great. Check out the other tutorial if you haven't yet. We'll link that up there, or check out this video on utilizing Facebook Live for streaming.